Welcome to a quick tutorial by the Esdras Center for Excellence. In this quick video, you will preview new navigation for instructors in Blackboard courses in the version 9.0. We will talk about the new edit mode, what happens when you turn it on and off. You will also see the new navigation menu and the new functionalities that will allow you to use drop menus, quick editing functions, and drag and drop functionalities for quicker organization of information. When you get to your course, you will see the student view. That means that the student gets to see the course exactly the way you're looking at it right now. You have your announcements on the front. You have your navigation menu on the left. The bottom is the course management area, your control panel, which is not available for the students, and I will talk about that in a different video. On the top left corner, you see the name of your course, and that is the link that can get you back to the front of the course no matter where you are in the course. On the right hand corner, you see a button that says Edit Mode Off. When you click that button, it will refresh the page and it will give you some controls that will allow you to modify the page. The first control is this double arrow. Anytime you see the double arrows next to any item, you can drag them and move them to reorganize the order of items on the page. Those arrows are also next to the navigation menu links. That means that you can move them and organize the order of your links. The arrows on the right are drop arrows, and you can click those. They will display choices to do different things throughout the course. In this case, you can rename a link, hide it, permit guest access to that area, or delete it altogether. If I wanted to rename it, for instance, I can just maybe want to rename this course documents. And once you finish that, then you have to accept that change, save it, and then it will refresh. You can add items to your menu very quickly by clicking the plus sign on the top, and then you select what kind of button you want to add, whether it's a content area, tool link, any of the things that you were able to add before, except that now you can do it very quickly. You can also create a divider. A divider is this line right here that allows you to maybe group items to make it just a little bit easier for your students to see, to read. Another thing that you can do is view this menu in a tree view. That means that you get the folders and you can expand them. It makes it easier to find information instead of having to go inside each and every one of them. If you were looking for a particular document you added, then you can do that very quickly. And then of course you can switch back to the normal view. If you find it hard to move these arrows, you will find throughout the course that you can find this icon that allows you to use your keyboard accessible reordering, and it will display another window. You can select an item and use the directional arrows to move around, and then all you have to do is accept or submit the change. Another thing that you can do in the course is open windows in a separate window if you need to display them separately for any reason. And so one of the things that I want you to walk away with from this particular session is just get used to seeing these type of tools, this type of controls. Use them, feel comfortable in clicking them. There's nothing that you can do to ruin the course. Just be adventurous, find what they display, and you're going to soon find that you can navigate through your course with this new interface very, very quickly. And I will see you in the next video.